Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today we are going to be building a Dollar Tree planner. All items in this video and the videos going forth in this Dollar Tree series are going to feature items from the Dollar Tree, which are just $1. I really wanted to bring to you guys cost-effective planner systems, and Dollar Tree is one of my favorite places to get supplies. So I'm bringing you guys an easy way to create a planner and a cheap way to create a planner. So starting off with this particular planner, we're going to be using the 3-ring mini binder from Dollar Tree. It does have pockets here, which is great. And it does come in an array of colors. I have a pink one. I also saw like a blush tone one, and I've seen blue ones. So that is that. We're going to be decorating the cover in a future video. We're going to start off today with just putting the insides inside of here and going in depth with that. We're also going to be creating dividers in a future video, and I'm also going to be doing a full video going inside a Dollar Tree, sharing with you guys all of the planner supplies that you can get, not just in the stationery aisle, but across the store. So stay tuned for that. So as for what I picked up, this you'll be seeing in a future video. I'm actually going to be making dividers with these report covers, and you get a 3-pack. I really just wanted the plastic, so stay tuned for turning that into some dividers. As for the actual planner goodies, I did get some stickers. This one is a 58-piece foil one. And the thing about Dollar Tree stickers is that it's usually the same sticker sheet. You just get 2 of them. So just to share with you guys what these stickers look like. So you have some flags, some larger flags, some triangles, some squares, some arrows. I think it's really cute. So it says, I love you, true love, I like you, I love you. So this one would be good just to do a Valentine's Day spread. Then there are these daily stickers that I found, which are more functional. And for those that are new to the planner community and are unfamiliar with the lingo, the thing about decorative stickers is that decorative stickers are literally what they are. It's just literally a design on a sticker, whereas functional stickers have more phrases on them. There are some stickers that are functional and decorative, such as these, but that is the key difference between the two. So this one, you get 2 of these where it's laundry, travel day, remember, date night, ASAP, notes, goals, do this, bill due, and then it has Monday, Thursday, Sunday. Oh yeah, I'm bugging. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Where's Wednesday? Okay, here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, today, and tomorrow. There we go. I was about to say, there's no way that they would jip us on the days of the week. All right, so that's that. And the brand of this is called 3 Birds Designs, but the thing on here, the Valentine stickers were Jot Brand. I love Jot Brand from Dollar Tree, but this one is My Plan, My Way from 3 Birds Designs. And I will have the information linked in the description box of what I can find to share with you guys. And then the last stickers that I found are these. And they're flags. What do they call these? These are the flag stickers. So you have reminder, weekend, date night, bill due, to-do list, and get it done. And the great thing about these flag stickers is that you can layer. So you can easily take one of these and layer it on top. So there's a lot of cute stickers at Dollar Tree. Now let's get into the actual planner. So I picked up 2, also from the 3 Birds design. This is the monthly planner pages, and this is the weekly planner pages here. Let's get into the monthly one first. Let's see what the quantity is of this. Does it say? 30 sheets. Okay. And then the other one is 30 sheets as well. Now let's look at the quality. So the quality, I would compare it to this regular printing paper that I have. Like, that's literally what it reminds me of. So while it's not as thick, I wouldn't necessarily use like a pen that will easily bleed through, like a permanent marker. But I mean, you could make this work. And if you wanted your pages to be reinforced, you can use washi tape and go down the side and hole punch it again. So we're just gonna go ahead here and put this inside. We're gonna go put the monthly in first. So I wish there was like one where you could start. So the thing about these month of ones, so these are a little off-centered, as you can see the boxes over here. So just want to make note of that. Well, it's not off-centered. It's just not a bordered edge, I should say, over here. It's no bordered edge. So each month would have to go in like so. And then you have a note section over here. So let's go ahead and just put 12 months inside of here. So this is 1 month, 2 months. All right, so say that one was January, February. This is now March. Am I doing this right? January, February, March, April, May. This is June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right, there we go. So there is section number 1 of the monthly. And yes, this page here, it looks like it's an issue. We'll fix that, as well as the page on the back. So we'll fix that. Now let's move on to the weekly. So while some people like the weekly to be behind each month, with this planner, that's not going to happen with the way that the layout is. So that's the only thing I would change, is for each month to kind of have its own, to be able to stand alone. But that's like with this as well, how it like starts on this page for the week that you want to start. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in about 8 sheets. I'm going to put in half. Could go ahead and put the whole thing in, because it says 30. So we'll just go ahead and put this whole thing in. The months, not so much. But I will say that you do get quite a bit. This is how much is left over after doing the 12-month one. So if you wanted to try this out and share with a friend, you can just get 1 pack of these, and, well, 1 pack of the monthly and split it. And then the binder itself, get 1 for each. If you're doing something for an organization and you want to encourage and inspire kids to start planning, you can do this because it's small, it's compact. They can also hole punch things inside of here that is more to their personality. So I do like the flexibility of that. Now for the stickers, again, the stickers are also something you can share, which is just 1 sheet. I'm only going to put 1 sheet of each inside of here, like so. So this is the basics of the Dollar Tree planner, the stickers and the inserts. I wanted to break this up into separate videos to show you how easy it is to build this, but also to think outside the box with it as well. So in the next video, we're going to be creating dividers. I'm also going to be doing a plan with me with you guys and showing you how you can transform this page and this page and just have one cohesive look. So we'll be doing dividers and adding to this as the videos go on. If there's something specific you would like to see in this Dollar Tree binder planner, let me know in the comments section below. But this is just the beginning, just the basics to show you what is out there of what you can purchase to get started, and you guys can plan along with me. So again, if you have any questions, suggestions, or things you'd like to see in this planner, let me know in the comments section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos and products featured, along with the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.